Everyone thinks they know how to take care of their coffee machine. But what if I told you that some of the most common maintenance tips you see online are actually hurting your machine instead of helping it? In this video, we're busting the biggest coffee machine maintenance myths and showing you what you really need to do to keep your machine working like new. Welcome to Brew Fix, where we fix, test, and talk everything coffee machine. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. You only need to clean your coffee machine once a month. This is one of the most common myths I hear from home users, and it's completely false. Coffee oils and residues start building up after just a few uses. If you wait a whole month to clean, that grime turns sticky, clogs your group head, and even changes the flavor of your coffee. You should backflush your espresso machine every few days or daily if you use it often. And always rinse your portafilter right after brewing. Clean machine, clean taste. Myth number 2. Filtered water means you never need descaling. Yes, filtered water helps, but it doesn't mean no minerals at all. Over time, even small amounts of calcium and magnesium can cause limescale buildup inside your boiler and pipes. Even if you use filtered or bottled water, decale your machine regularly, every 2 to 3 months for home machines and monthly for commercial ones. It's cheap insurance for your machine's health. Myth number 3. Vinegar is the best way to decale your coffee machine. This one drives technicians crazy. Vinegar might seem harmless, but it can damage rubber seals and leave a smell that's almost impossible to get rid of. Always use a proper descaling solution made for coffee machines. It's designed to break down minerals safely without harming your components. Trust me, vinegar belongs in your salad, not your espresso machine. Myth number 4. Just because your machine seems fine doesn't mean it's healthy. Inside, there could be scale, residue, or worn gaskets waiting to fail. Preventive maintenance is key. A quick weekly clean and a regular checkup can save you from expensive repairs later. Think of it like changing the oil in your car. It keeps everything running smoothly. Myth number 5. Any cleaning tablet or product will do. Not all cleaning tablets are the same. Some are too harsh or don't dissolve properly. Use products recommended by your machine's manufacturer or trusted brands made for espresso systems. They clean effectively and protect your parts from corrosion. Here's the maintenance routine I tell every customer to follow. It takes 3 minutes a day. Flush the group head after each use. Wipe and purge the steam wand. Empty and rinse the drip tray and portafilter. That's it. Simple, fast, and it keeps your machine running like new. So, next time someone gives you random coffee machine advice, you'll know what's fact and what's fiction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next BrewFix guide. Until next time, keep your machine clean and your coffee strong.